everybody. This is Joan, your independent Princess House consultant. And I want to welcome you back to my healthy cooking, made easy cooking stage. Today, we are going to make healthy chicken and cheese quesadillas made in our Pro-7 air fryer. So let me share what the ingredients are. First of all, I air fried chicken in our air fryer, and then I minced and shredded it into small pieces. We're also going to use wheat, not flour, tortillas. And I have yellow and red minced onion, yellow peppers, orange peppers, and mozzarella cheese. So let's get started. And here it is, our healthy chicken and cheese quesadillas. And we always want to remind you, it's great to eat with a purpose. Using this recipe and our Pro-7 air fryer will ensure that you and your family are eating healthy and eating with a purpose. Bye, everybody.